Now tell me, how do you know if you are a beginner photographer? Obviously you like to take pictures, but then some of your pictures are not so sharp. You tend to take blurry photos. You see that shake on the main subject. Sometimes your pictures are defocused. You want to focus on something, but you are focusing on something else, and you are unable to know why this is happening. Sometimes your pictures are too bright, and sometimes it's very dark, and you're unable to figure out that right settings to come up with a picture with proper exposure. Even when you click pictures on your smartphones, sometimes you feel that the background is not going with your main subject. If you click a picture of your friend and you want to crop the photo and you are unable to figure out where to crop the picture, you sometimes feel that the photo is not so balanced. Without using the phone app, you want to naturally create that background blur in the pictures. If you feel you like taking pictures and these are the problems you regularly face, then you probably have that passion in photography, but you're still a beginner. Hi, I'm Sadanand Gunaga. I'm a professional wedding and portrait photographer. I also take up corporate projects. After 10 years in the business, I understand how crucial it is that each one of us has very strong fundamentals. In ipassio, we have beginner photography course. By the end of first session, you'll have a good idea about what's aperture, what's shutter speed, what's ISO, the relationship between them, and using all these in a certain combination, how to come up with a beautiful image with a proper exposure. And you will be able to figure out how to create beautiful pictures using these 3 pillars of photography. In the second session, we'll talk about the composition. Be it a professional camera or a smartphone, this one is needed everywhere. We need the composition. We'll also figure out how to create a beautiful balanced background, how to make sure that the user's attention is drawn towards your main subject. There are a lot of other things that go into the composition of an image. Join the beginner photography course in ipassio to kickstart your journey in becoming an amazing photographer. It will be fun. See you soon.